Hey gamers, welcome back. If you are a fan of classic console like the Nintendo, GameCube and Wii, you are going to enjoy this because today I will show you how you can actually play GameCube and Wii game right on your Android phone, even if your device is not that powerful. And the best part is, a recent update has made everything smoother and more stable than before. So don't forget to like this video and let's jump right in. First, open the Google Play Store and search for Dolphin Emulator. You will find it at the top of the result. Install the app and open it or launch it. Enable user statistic reporting. I will say yes. So before adding a game, let us customize and configure the settings. Click on the setting gear here at the top here. You click on config. Click on general. Enable dual call. It's already enabled. Enable cheats. Set speed limits to 200 and click OK. Scroll down and enable save states. We'll click back to interface. You set the orientation to landscape, then enable expand cutout area. If you scroll down, you can choose your preferred theme. I will leave it at default. We'll head out to audio. If you click on DSP emulator engine, we'll leave it at the first one, the one recommended. We'll come to fill auto gaps. We'll put it on. Preserve audio pitch. We'll head back to paths. We'll enable search subfolders for games file so that we can load our game. We'll head out again to advanced. We'll click on CPU core. We'll leave it at GIT recompiler. We'll leave others inactive. We'll scroll down to override emulator CPU clock speed. We'll enable it. And that's it there. We'll head out again. So I'm here now under config. I'll head out a step to go to graphic settings. I will set the video back end to Vulkan. So if you try Vulkan and it's not working fine, you can come back to OpenGL. I'll go to shader compiler mode. I will leave it as default, which is specialized. I will come to compile shader before starting. I will enable it. Then I will come down to aspect ratio. I'll click on stretch to window. Enhancement. I'll click on internal resolution. I'll pick 2K. I'll go down to anisotropic filtering. I will set it to either 2 times or you can come back and do 4 if you want. I will scroll down to wild shade hack and enable it. I'll go back out to statistics. I will enable show FPS. Then I'll also enable show speed. Go to advanced and you can decide to select a customized graphics card, but what you need to know is that by default Dolphin picks your phone graphics card. So we'll go back out to the main page. Here we need to add our games. You click on add games. This will load up your files from your phone. Then you select the file which the game is installed, but before then create a folder. So we'll name the folder Dolphin Games and then you click OK. So this is the folder we're going to download our game into. So I will head on to Chrome and search for vim.net. We'll click on it. The first one here, we'll come to the vote and then we'll scroll down to Wii game. Once you're downloading on this site, one of the things we must watch out for is the file format. So the file format for Wii game, as I've mentioned earlier in the video, is WBFS. You can see it there. So that is a safe file format you need to search for. And then you can see the space that is about 3 point something gigs. So I'll click on download. Alright, after waiting for almost 2 hours, it's almost in. So downloading the game is really so difficult. So we have 3 seconds left. 1, okay, and then it's in. Okay, great. So we're going to go to file and then I'll click on all files. Then we'll go to download. Okay, so we have it here. You can see it's 3.50 gig. So I will long press on it, and then let's just copy it so that I can have some extra a backup. I will copy it and then head back to internal storage where I have the Dolphin game folder stored. Click on paste down here. Okay, it's pasting. The newly one I downloaded is the Super Mario Galaxy. So I'll go to Google and type in Z Archiver, install it, then open. I'll click on OK, allow access, then we'll return. I'll click on OK, then I'll scroll to where I have the folder name Dolphin Games. Then I'm going to click on the first one and then extract here. After the extraction, then you have it. Because if you load it direct like that, it won't come up. Because if you look at the first two folders, they are in zip file. So if you load it from Dolphin, it won't come out. So now let's go to Dolphin. You click, you can see there's nothing. Close to Wi-Fi, you can see you definitely have it there. So that's the one we just installed. If you want to see all the folders, you click on Add Games. These are all the games I've downloaded and put into the Dolphin Games folder. So now, let us test it.
Yes.
Alright, there you have it. Don't forget to enjoy yourself with your favorite classic GameCube or Wii game on your phone. Subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and see you in the next one.